In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange a collection list on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to control the order of products that appear in any of your collections. So you can highlight bestsellers, promote new arrivals, or simply make your store look more organized and intentional. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify store and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store's activity, like recent orders and sales. From here, we'll head straight into the area where your products and collections are managed. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and click on Products. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to your inventory. Once the Products page loads, you'll see your full list of items, but what we want to focus on is how they're grouped, which brings us to Collections. Within the Products section, find and click on Collections. This takes you to a page that shows all of the collections you've created, such as new arrivals, sale, or any custom groupings you use in your store. These collections are what your customers see when they browse your site, so the order of products here really matters. Next, click on the specific collection you want to rearrange. Just choose the one where you'd like to change the product order. When the collection page opens, you'll see a list of all the products currently included in that collection, along with some settings at the top. Near the top of this page, look for the Sort field. By default, many collections are set to something like best-selling or price or newest. To take full control of the order, click on the Sort drop-down and select Manually. This tells Shopify that you want to decide exactly where each product appears. Once manual sorting is enabled, you can rearrange the products. Next to each product in the collection list, you'll see a small icon made up of 6 dots. Hover over those dots, click and hold, and then drag the product up or down the list. Place it wherever you want it to appear in your store. Move your most important or eye-catching items to the top and adjust the rest until you're happy with the sequence. Shopify usually saves these changes automatically, so once you've finished dragging and dropping the products into the right order, your collection's product layout will update on your live store. That's all you need.